Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset a Frigidaire gallery ice maker in 2026. So first of all, you need to start with the simplest method. In it, you just have to turn off the ice maker and unplug it from the power source. Leave it unplugged for about 5 minutes, and this allows the internal system to fully discharge and reset. While it is unplugged, you can also press and hold the power button if it is available for a few seconds, and this is going to help drain any kind of leftover electrical charge and ensures a deeper reset. Now you just have to plug the unit back in and turn it on. Let it run a full startup cycle without pressing any buttons. This allows the system to reinitialize the sensors and internal components properly. Now, some of the models allow a manual reset using the buttons. So you just have to press and hold the power button, or there would be a cleaning button for a few seconds until the machine restarts or beeps. This triggers an internal system reset. So if you are resetting after an error or cleaning cycle, just make sure that the water tank is properly filled and seated and the machine is not in the cleaning mode before restarting. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.